Oil price translucent $400 ton. The government is considered to need to be aware of the movement of the coal prices that continue to soar. This is because a prolonged increase in the price of black coal will have a direct impact on the cost of supplying electricity. As of trading on Wednesday, May 23, 2022, the price of coal on the ICE Newcastle, Australia market for the June contract closed at $407 per ton. The price was up 1.8% compared to the previous day's close. Acting Executive Director of the Mining Association, Djoko Widajatno, assessed that the increase in coal prices that was too high was indeed a blessing in itself for mining producers. On the other hand, an increase in prices will also have an impact on increasing electricity rates in the future. So, regardless of the increase in the price of coal, as long as the DMO policy set by the government and can be implemented properly, national electricity tariff will not change much, even though the price in the international market is currently at the level of $400 per ton. In Indonesia, based on the HBA, it is only $7, so there is still a high difference between the DMO price and the market price, which is close to $400, but even with a sale of $70, entrepreneurs already have an advantage because the cost of mining is around $35, they say. As is known, the basic electricity tariff, or TDL, has the potential to increase in July 2022. The threat of an increase in the ton price is the impact of the plan to form a special coal entity or public service agency, or BLU, to collect coal fee. According to him, the formation of a BLU that collects due to mining companies as a cover for disparities makes DMO management more complex. Reddy gave an example: in the future 100% of coal will be sold through a market mechanism. Then the entrepreneur who sells the coal pays a fee to the BLU, then the BLU provide the fee for subsidy to PLN. In addition to not complying with provisions of Article 5 of the Minerba Law, that the price of the DMO coal is set by the government, it is as if PLN has the bad contributions from mining businesses, even though the coal contains spirit of energy security, said Reddy. PLN's purchase of coal following the price benchmark in the market has the potential to increase TDL in the future. This is because the market price of coal tends to fluctuate. If the price of coal rises on paper calculations, it will increase the cost of electricity production of PLN and trigger an increase in TDL.